Did you know the only unsolved commercial aircraft hijacking in American history involved a man who vanished into thin air? On November 24, 1971, a businessman in a black suit and tie boarded Northwest Orient Flight 305 from Portland to Seattle. He looked completely ordinary until he handed flight attendant Florence Schaffner a note claiming he had a bomb. Cooper remained eerily calm throughout the entire ordeal, even ordering bourbon and soda while showing her his briefcase full of dynamite. He politely negotiated for $200,000 in $20 bills and 4 parachutes. After refueling in Seattle, he released 36 passengers but kept the crew, ordering them toward Mexico City at dangerously low altitude. Then, at 8 in the evening, during a raging thunderstorm over dense Washington forest, he did the impossible. He jumped into freezing rain wearing nothing but his business suit and loafers. 45 years later, the FBI has spent millions searching, investigated hundreds of suspects, but found nothing. Cooper remains the only person to successfully hijack a commercial plane and completely disappear.